Hi everyone, this is Mr. Armstrong, and this video is for any people at Grange Academy in the Modern Languages department who has been asked to use ActiveLearn as part of their learning for modern languages. You're going to need your username and password. If you don't know these, then please contact your teacher either on Teams or via Show My Homework. To get started, you've got to go to pearsonactivelearn.com. This is the homepage. Click on Login. For quickness, my username and password is already filled in. You can save yours to your computer as well. That way you don't have to remember it every time. Then click Sign In. When you sign in, you get this page appearing like so. What you're interested in is clicking on Tasks at the very top. And as you can see, I've got one task set on my account. Click on Tasks. And you can see here the name of the task and which textbook it comes from. You can click here to see how many exercises there are. It says here there's 0 out of 9 exercises. And when the teacher expects this to be done by. Click Start and you can see what activities you have to complete. So as you can see, the 9 activities have now loaded onto my screen. Click on the Start button to begin one of the tasks. This task is a listening task. It gives you the instructions in English at the very top. Listen to the 6 teenagers discussing which subjects they like and dislike. Match the names to what they say. So you click on the speech bubble and you decide which of these things that person says. You have learning aids to click on. It gives you a PDF document, which if you're on a computer should load in a separate tab. And you can see here I've got all the vocabulary for that exercise. You go through the activity, and when you're done, you press Submit, Score and Exit. You can also give your teacher an indication of how you found the exercise. So, did you find it really accessible? Was it good for you? Did you find it, there were some things you got, some things you weren't so confident on? Did you find it really hard? And that way the teacher can give you appropriate support as necessary in the future. If you complete the exercise, you can press this button here. It's greyed out for me because I haven't done the exercise. So I'm just going to do pause, progress, and exit. And I can come back to it later. There are reading tasks as well that might be assigned to you. This one says, look at the pictures and read the text. Drag each text to the correct picture. So I've got to read and decide which one this matches up best. Again, when I complete the exercise, I can submit my score and let the teacher see. But I'm just going to do the pause, progress, and exit again. You might also have some grammar tasks assigned to you. This one, for example, says drag and drop the words into the correct order to form a sentence. Remember, you have the learning aids to help you as well if need be. And finally, you might have some vocab tasks. This one here, vocab test from English into French. I would always recommend doing the French to English first, if that option is available, to test how well you know the word in your own language before trying to do the English into French, which is slightly more challenging. And then the one that would go into French, this time you type the word into French. When you're done, press Done at the bottom, and your teacher will see your score. I hope this has been helpful in how to access ActiveLearn. If you have any questions, then as always, ask your teacher on Teams or Show My Homework. Merci et au revoir.